welcome back to the first Cactus Minute episode of the growing season. Incredibly excited, and in today's episode we are going to be having a look at Thelocactus Lauseri. Now, I'm not too sure whether this is in fact Lauseri or it's something else. I did a little bit of research on this particular guy, and every reference that I can find looks quite different to this. My guy is a little bit more column sort of growing habitat, whereas all the references that I found showed more of a globular or spherical cactus. Nonetheless, this might just be a different variant of this particular variety, but as you can see at the moment, he is putting on a spectacular display of flowers. They are a bicolor pink, so the majority of the flower is light pink, and there's a darker pink strip down the center of the flower. Very, very beautiful. This guy's got very heavy spination, as you can see there, and a sort of a darkish sort of green body. Now, in terms of difficulty level of growing, I've got quite a few Thelocactus, and I can honestly say that for the most part I find them incredibly easy to grow. They have a high level of resistance to pests and diseases, and they're fairly tolerant of a lot of different light levels, although they do tend to enjoy being a little bit more exposed, so they'll take quite a bit more sun, which is their heavy spination is sort of indicative of that, in that generally speaking the more spines means the more sun that they're designed to take. So in my experience, I would put this particular Thelocactus at a difficulty level of around a 5 to a 6, so sort of midway point. So if you're a sort of more experienced sort of grower, absolutely, or if you're a beginner with sort of a reasonable level of experience, then I don't think you'll have any troubles with this guy. This guy is endemic to Mexico, I believe, and so does have incredibly high resistance to drought. But of course, the way that we grow plants in cultivation is very, very different to how they grow naturally. So I don't suspect that in its natural environment that this guy would look anything like this. The flowers would obviously remain the same, but I think we'd find that it would be a lot more of a squat plant with even denser spines. But there we're having a look once again at the lovely flowers. 5 in total, and there's a few more coming up, and those big long beautiful spines, which from this angle look incredibly nice and sculptural. But there we are, beautiful Thelocactus Lauseri, which is the name just there. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening. Bye!